a problem, the sound issue. Usually what happens is you can hear the voice from only one side speaker, but the main speaker, it doesn't work. So in that case, what you need to do is, it's just a pretty much simple way to fix it. The easiest way is, go to settings and scroll down to system and updates, and then you can do is reset. You don't have to do reset the phone itself. All you have to do is reset all setting. I have done it a couple of minutes ago, so you don't have to do a network setting. Is everything will remain the same. Just click this one, and then when it says reset all settings, just click yes, and it will fix your problem immediately. You can go back and then play YouTube video or any song on your phone to see if it works, and if it doesn't, then you have to restart the phone and then repeat the same problem. Unless there's not a physical damage to the speaker, this action reset should work. I hope it helps. Thank you for your attention. Take care.